How to keep your old iPhone's battery in the best condition possible.
If you haven't decided to upgrade to the iPhone 16 just yet, better keep an eye on the old iPhone's battery. Here are 6 to-dos. Your battery's lifespan is how long it lasts before needing a replacement, influenced by various factors like temperature and charging habits. For more informative videos, subscribe my channel Itfo. Any query, write in comments. First, ensure optimized battery charging is enabled. This setting learns your routine to charge your battery efficiently, reducing stress. Follow these steps. In Settings, go to Battery and then Battery Health and Charging tab. Make sure that optimized battery charging is toggled on. Avoid extreme temperatures as they can degrade your battery faster. Keep your iPhone out of hot environments like direct sunlight. Remove your iPhone case during charging if it gets hot. Bulky cases can trap heat and affect battery lifespan. For long-term storage, charge your iPhone to 50%, turn it off, and store it in a cool, dry place. Recharge it to 50% every 6 months.